choice today with the 2014 CLA. The CLA comes with impressive handling, excellence, and luxury interiors. It has amazingly sleek lines, which also reduces the coefficient drag to minimal and making it very aerodynamic. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, HID headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.